Hey guys, let's get to know Kawaii Kitten. Putting my camera. Okay, camera. Can we cooperate today? Okay. So, my likes. Let's see. What do I like? I like anime. Because anime is cool. So if you guys got any anime for me to watch, I will watch it. I also like you guys, who's ever watches my channel. Kawaii here. So I love being Kawaii, okay? I just love it. Kawaii is awesome. And I love being on YouTube. I don't know if you guys can see it anyways. I'm actually gonna move my camera so I'm actually holding it. But I like anime, you guys, Kawaii, and being on YouTube. Being on YouTube is awesome. I don't have a cloth, so I'm just gonna use my favorite color. Let me write down. Fave color is pink, black, and blood. Because I'm kind of evil. Okay, I'm evil. What I think about wrong think of you guys. I love you all. I just do. Because you guys are awesome. So, I'm not a very good editor, just to tell you. So, that's why I don't edit in my own things. I will get a profile picture. But let's write out my name before I end this video. Also, I forgot to say my intro. Kawaii Kitten loves you guys. So, hope you enjoyed this video of getting to know me a little more. So, you know what kind of videos I've made. Also, I'm very much a gamer, so there will be probably a lot of things of me gaming and stuff. So, hope you enjoy it, and Kawaii Kitten loves you all. So, thanks for watching, and